This is my personal avatar that I made in 8 minutes with Synthesia's new personal avatar feature. If you want to make the best possible personal avatar, then stick around, because I'm going to show you how to do it with 3 different camera setups: a laptop, an iPhone, and a DSLR. Let's go! Before we talk about cameras and setup, I want to take you on a quick lightning tour of the personal avatar creation process, because the process is the same no matter the tech. First, from the homepage, click on Avatars, create a personal avatar, then... Oh, hey, Alex!
Hey, Kevin. Let me share some pointers on how personal avatars work, regardless of your setup. Personal avatars are recorded directly with the background. The space around you also tells a story. Think about this when deciding upon the scenery for your personal avatar. You can record yourself in English, Spanish, German, and French, and 10 more languages. Then we'll produce a high-quality copy of your voice in 29 languages. Certain videos absolutely require your personal touch, so add your personal avatar to leadership updates for your team, sales outreach videos, marketing campaigns, influencer content, and videos just like this one right here. And that's it. I'll let you get back to your video now, Kevin.
Thanks for all your help, Alex. Now let's head back to Human Kevin to walk through different camera setups. When using your laptop camera, there's a few things to consider: webcam height, your lighting, and your background. When setting up your shot, make sure your eyes are level to your webcam. If you can, film by a window or strong light source. Avoid flat backgrounds to make your shot more interesting. Your iPhone is one of the best cameras you have in your pocket, and you can use it to shoot your personal avatar. To use your iPhone as a webcam, make sure your phone and MacBook are connected on the same Apple ID, and check if Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is on for both devices. When positioning your iPhone, place the camera as close to the top of your screen as possible. You can buy a MagSafe mount or use a tripod mount like the one we've done here. You can even get creative with anything on your desk. But what if you've got top-of-the-line equipment? Let's turn it over to our Synthesia video expert, Kyle.
So here's what you should consider when working with a DSLR camera. Make sure your DSLR is connected to your computer. You can do this with a USB-A, USB-C, or HDMI port, depending on what camera you have. In our case, we're using USB-C. If you have an external audio device, such as a lavalier or a podcast mic, make sure that that's connected to your computer as well. We'll also need to make sure that our internet browser accepts the camera and audio feeds in privacy settings. You can treat the recording process for this avatar as if you were recording a YouTube video or a promo for social media. And pro tip, don't worry if you can't look at the camera all the time, because Synthesia is going to automatically correct your eyes for you.
And that's how you create your Synthesia personal avatar. Personal avatars are available for all paid plans on Synthesia, so be sure to take advantage of this and make your digital twin. Just remember that no matter what tools you use, you want to make sure your camera matches your eyeline, your lighting is natural, and that your background is interesting and free of clutter. And one more thing. Can you tell which one of us was the AI avatar and which was the human? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give us a like and hit subscribe to follow along for more tips and tricks from Synthesia Academy. We'll see you down the road.